Welcome to Casual Comfort. If you've ever stood in front of your wardrobe in early spring thinking, I want to look fresh, modern, and put together, but still feel completely comfortable, then this video is exactly what you need. Spring 2026 is not about extremes. It's about balance, soft structure, effortless elegance, silhouettes that move with you, not against you. This season, trousers are taking center stage. They're no longer just a basic foundation. They're the statement, the mood, the quiet power piece of your entire look. Today, I'm sharing 7 perfect trousers for spring 2026 that will instantly elevate your style while keeping you comfortable and confident. Let's dive in. Palazzo trousers, the new soft power. Palazzo trousers are having a refined comeback for spring 2026, but this time they're more polished and intentional. Think fluid fabrics, clean waistlines, and beautifully tailored drape. The magic of Palazzo trousers is in their movement. They create an elongated silhouette and add a subtle drama without trying too hard. This season, designers are leaning into neutral tones, cream, sand, soft olive, as well as pastel hues like butter yellow and powder blue. Pair them with a fitted knit top or a crisp tucked-in blouse to balance volume on top. Add sleek loafers or minimal sandals, and suddenly your look feels editorial yet effortless. Palazzo trousers are perfect for women who love comfort but don't want to sacrifice elegance. They whisper luxury, never shout it. Flared trousers, a nod to vintage with a modern twist. Flared trousers are back, but in a smarter, more tailored way. The 2026 flare is refined, subtle at the knee, beautifully proportioned, and incredibly flattering. They visually lengthen the legs and create that confident, structured silhouette that feels powerful. High-waisted flares in soft suiting fabrics are especially trending this spring. Pair them with a structured blazer for a chic office look, or style them with a tucked-in silk shirt for an elevated everyday outfit. Even a simple fitted t-shirt looks instantly more sophisticated when styled with flares. The key is proportion. Keep the top more streamlined and let the trousers create the shape. It's a silhouette that feels nostalgic, but completely modern. Straight, loose trousers, relaxed minimalism. If there's one silhouette that defines spring 2026, it's the straight, slightly loose trouser. Not oversized, not baggy, just perfectly relaxed. This style gives you freedom of movement and that effortless I didn't try too hard aesthetic. They work beautifully in lightweight wool blends, cotton twill, or breathable linen. Earthy neutrals and monochrome styling are especially strong this season. Imagine soft beige trousers with a matching vest and white sneakers, simple, chic, timeless. Straight, loose trousers are the foundation of a modern capsule wardrobe. They transition easily from casual mornings to polished evenings. Add a belt to define the waist or keep it fluid and relaxed, both work. Slim trousers, clean lines, sharp impact. Slim trousers are making a quiet comeback, but forget ultra-tight silhouettes. Spring 2026 slim trousers are sleek, structured, and elegant. They skim the body without clinging, creating a streamlined shape that feels confident and intentional. This style is ideal for layering. Pair slim trousers with oversized blazers, long-line cardigans, or even a trench coat. The contrast between slim bottoms and relaxed outer layers creates a modern balance. Opt for classic black, navy, or charcoal for a sophisticated base. Or try muted seasonal shades like sage green or dusty rose for a softer spring vibe. Slim trousers are especially flattering with loafers, ballet flats, or low block heels. They're the perfect choice when you want to look sharp without feeling restricted. Faux leather trousers, unexpected spring edge. Yes, faux leather in spring. And it works beautifully. In 2026, faux leather trousers are lighter, softer, and more refined than ever. Instead of heavy winter textures, we're seeing buttery finishes and subtle matte tones. Think cream, taupe, soft caramel, even pastel faux leather is emerging. Style them with airy blouses, lightweight knits, or relaxed shirts to balance the texture. The mix of soft fabrics and sleek faux leather creates visual interest without feeling overpowering. Faux leather trousers are ideal when you want to add personality to a simple outfit. They instantly elevate basics and give your look that confident edge without sacrificing comfort. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this breakdown of spring 2026 trends, make sure you subscribe to Casual Comfort. And if you haven't already, like this video and leave a comment about which trouser style you love most. I always read your thoughts, and it helps this channel grow so we can keep creating beautiful, elegant style inspiration together. Suede trousers, texture that feels luxurious. Suede trousers are one of the most luxurious trends for spring 2026. They add depth and texture to your outfit while staying soft and wearable. This season, we're seeing beautiful earthy tones, warm tan, mocha, muted terracotta. Suede works especially well in straight or slightly flared silhouettes. Pair suede trousers with lightweight knits or a crisp white shirt for contrast. Add gold accessories for a warm, cohesive look. What makes suede so special is the tactile quality. It makes even the simplest outfit feel intentional and rich. If you want to elevate your spring wardrobe in a subtle but impactful way, suede trousers are a smart investment. Denim trousers, the reinvented classic. Denim will always be essential, but spring 2026 denim is all about refined shapes and premium finishes. Forget distressed chaos. Think clean lines, structured waists, and classic washes. Wide-leg denim and straight-cut styles dominate, but even slim and flared denim are appearing in elevated versions. Dark indigo, soft vintage blue, and creamy off-white denim are especially strong this season. Style denim trousers with tailored blazers, elegant blouses, or minimalist knitwear. The secret is contrast. Elevate denim with sophisticated pieces to create a balanced, modern look. Denim remains the most versatile option in your wardrobe, but in 2026, it feels more polished than ever. Spring 2026 is about harmony. Structured yet soft. Relaxed yet refined. These 7 trouser styles give you options for every mood, every occasion, every version of yourself. Whether you're drawn to the flowing elegance of Palazzo trousers, the confident shape of flares, the quiet minimalism of straight cuts, the clean impact of slim silhouettes, or the rich textures of faux leather and suede, there is something here for you. And of course, denim remains your trusted foundation. The most important thing? Choose pieces that make you feel comfortable and confident. Fashion should support your lifestyle, not complicate it. Thank you for spending your time here at Casual Comfort. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who loves effortless style as much as you do. I can't wait to see which trousers you'll be wearing this spring. Let's step into 2026 with elegance, ease, and confidence together.